Do you want to unlock massive profitability in your law firm? If you do, offshore virtual assistants is something you should consider. In this video, we're going to talk about when you should hire offshore virtual assistants in your law firm. What offshore virtual assistants does for you is it takes your power players and it puts them on steroids. What I mean by that is if you have a power player in your firm, maybe an attorney who's bringing in a lot of revenue, and that attorney is performing work that doesn't produce revenue, that work can be delegated to a lower cost virtual assistant and unlock that time so that attorney can produce even more revenue for your firm. The use of virtual assistants really works well in alternative fee arrangement billing firms. With an alternative fee arrangement, you have complete control over who does the work. There's a lot of work that goes into an engagement that does not require an attorney. If you're able to figure out a way to map out a system to get that work completed, you can train anybody to do the work. What's crazy about remote and offshore assistants is that they're talented and yet they're so inexpensive. You can get, for the same price as one assistant in your office, 3 virtual assistants that are offshore. We work closely with one of our partners, Get Staffed Up. A Get Staffed Up virtual assistant costs $1,850 a month for a full-time employee. If you want to know more about onboarding a full-time employee from Get Staffed Up, go to profitwithlaw.com/getstaffedup, where you can get a $750 discount off of your onboarding fee. So let's finally answer the question, when should you onboard a virtual assistant? The answer is simple. Anytime that you can identify a list of tasks that can be taught to anybody, that is an opportunity for a virtual assistant. Some examples of how we use virtual assistants in our own business and how our clients are using it in theirs is social media posting, gathering documents from clients, communicating with clients, covering the onboarding process, making sure leads don't fall through the cracks, and even document drafting. Adding remote and offshore virtual assistants to your law firm is something that we believe in so strongly that we cover it heavily in our elite coaching program. This includes our workshop series that we perform throughout the year. One of our clients, Becky Torres, shares how she flipped the script on profitability in her firm to go from negative profitability to over 30% profitability in a single year. And she hired 3 remote virtual assistants during that process. Another one of our elite coaching clients, Christina Gilbertson, shared how she was able to take her family to Disney for 9 days after she hired 2 remote offshore virtual assistants. So if you want to be like Becky and Christina and have more profitability in your law firm and more time to be able to spend with your family, I invite you to check out our elite coaching program, where we can help you walk through the process of not only finding the staff that you need, but also identifying what are the tasks to delegate to them and how to delegate and stay on top of the work that they're doing. Check it out at profitwithlaw.com/elite.